Hi guys, it's Simran here. I hope you all are doing good, and today I will be showing how to turn this basic makeup look into a glamorous hot red makeup look. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is change your eyeshadows. I will be showing which colors I'll be using, and I will be doing a glitter based red eyeshadow look. Since it is Christmas coming soon, it will be the best look for your Christmas parties. So let's get into the video. So if you want to know how I did this basic makeup look, you can watch my previous videos. I have a complete tutorial on how I did it. Without wasting any time, I will start with my eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow, I will be using Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me palette, which is one of my favorite palettes. Since I'm going for a red eyeshadow look, I will be taking this bright red color. As I have already used a brown base color for my eye, I will be using the red eyeshadow just on the tips to give it a red highlight. Just to give this a little bit of depth, I will be using a little darker maroon shade on the outer corner and on the cut crease. I will be giving a little bit of a smoky effect with the red eyeshadow, so I will be using a little bit of black, just a tiny bit, just on the outer edge. The black has given a little bit of definition to my eyes. Now I will be using a shimmer based eyeshadow, a bit on the redder side. Let's take a flat brush. Just to give it a little bit more pigmentation, let's use our finger. We will end this eyeshadow with a little bit of red glitter, not too much. So I'm using the pink key glitter. I'll be using the red shade, just using my finger for it. You can see the difference between the eyeshadow that I had done before and the new look. We will finish this entire eye look with just a little bit of under eyeing. We'll use a flat brush and we'll take the red shade that we already used on the top. We have done the red on the outer edges, but the glitter that we used on the inner, the shimmer eyeshadow, we will use the same shimmer eyeshadow for the inner edges. You can now see the complete difference between the beginning of the video and the end of the video. I will complete the other eye the same way that I completed this one, and I'll be right back. So you can see the difference between the beginning of the video and the end of the video. I literally went from a basic makeup to glamorous makeup with just a change of eyeshadow. I haven't changed anything in my face, just the eyeshadow, and I look glamorous. It's really easy. You can follow my steps and you can also turn your basic makeup into glamorous makeup with a few steps. I hope you like this video, so like down, comment and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, Foxy Makeup Tips and Tutorials. Follow me on Instagram, Makeover by Simran, and you can buy all these beautiful products that I have used from masmerize.in. Thank you.